Romit, really great to have you. Let's start with question one. Telecommunications and Technologies. These companies have very complex environments. How do you see ServiceNow really addressing this for them?
Well, that's absolutely right, Chad. I mean, the environments to operate a telco service provider's business or a tech provider's business incorporates many different systems and landscapes and data sources. At ServiceNow, we have been able to put together a portfolio of products, not just one, not just two, but an entire end-to-end portfolio of products built on the Now platform for a telco service provider or a technology provider company to run their offerings on. We go from the world of network management based on our CMDB into installation and break fix and maintenance with field service management. We then transition over to the world of sales and order management with configure price quote, our CPQ offering, as well as our order management and fulfillment capabilities. And then we run and operate what we just sold. So customer support and back office operations on the same stack. A lot of this is uniquely different in the world of tech and telco, and
True.
we are emerging as a operational platform of choice for
That,
TNT customers.
that's awesome, man. And you've said this time and time again to me that that platform really just changes the game for the customers. I appreciate that. All right, question two. How do you see the GenAI Now Assist further simplifying some of this complexity for the customers?
So Now Assist has opened up a bunch of new doors. It's created net new opportunities and use cases that never existed, like text to code, text to workflow. But it's also started to supercharge a lot of activities that were already happening, like issue deflection, case deflection, were already top of mind for most of our customers. But getting it right, NLU wasn't really cutting it in the virtual agent scenarios.
Right.
With generative AI, now we understand context, we understand intent, and our responses are that much more personable. So case and issue deflection has gotten supercharged and that much more efficient. Our searches are better. We're able to generate case summaries when agents hand over cases from one agent to another. We're also able to wrap up cases and write up resolution notes. In fact, when we deployed Now Assist in our own support environment, we found that 53% of the time, agents are not even having to touch up any of the grammar or content that generative AI is proposing. And imagine applying that to a large contact support organization. The savings are just immense.
Can't agree with you more. There's a lot of savings, and our Now story is amazing. So, since you mentioned it, you have worked with our customers around the Now Assist. What has been their feedback on this?
So they're extremely excited. A lot of our customers are launching evaluations with us. So they're engaging on looking at their data, their processes in their production environments, and really launching a lot of these processes to see the gains. The customers with whom we're very closely working on are seeing tremendous opportunities around, again, case and issue deflection as an example. They've been able to redirect to self-service a lot of troubleshooting scenarios where thousands and thousands of knowledge articles are being combed through to produce that one summary that is truly beneficial for the customer when they're searching for a troubleshooting scenario. They're also really excited about the possibilities that we haven't yet released. We're working really closely with them.
Let's talk about that. That is my final question for you. So what is coming on the Now Assist roadmap for telco and technology teams, since you brought it up?
So this is something I'm really personally really excited and passionate about, because we see that this can be a game changer. So we launched Now Assist for Telecom Service Management, which is TSM, and Now Assist for TPSM. And now we'll be adding some really unique capabilities around it. A few examples that we've been working on are around network management, to be able to generate certain segments of the network or parts of the network from text, to be able to generate order fulfillment policies from merely being able to understand what's in that product bundle that the customer wishes to buy. We've also already launched Now Assist for TSOM, which enables alert summarization. So in the Network Operations Center, you don't have to spend 3 months to ramp up new network operators now. Yeah. They can untangle and understand the verbiage and the jargon that's coming from the network in technical terms, now translated into plain English.
Super cool. And to steal from another episode, it looks like that Now Assist is actually kind of their friend in helping them get ramped up quickly. So, like you said, I'll steal your words. It is a game changer. I've loved this time with you, Romit. I want to do this again. If you have any questions, any concerns, any feedback to Romit or myself, please reach out to us in community. And with that, Romit, I want to thank you for spending your time with me.
Thanks for having me, Chad. It was always a pleasure.